sports cars, mix of Corvettes and such. Caller states they're eastbound on the CD stretch near the Driggs River right now, going in excess of 100 miles an hour, headed east towards the bridge. States are going at least 120 miles an hour.
Ladies and gentlemen, I know it's dark in here, so I'm going to keep this intro quick. It is rally morning. It was a bit like going to bed on Christmas Eve last night because you wake up early, you open Christmas presents, but instead of the presents this morning, it is the Rally Kings launch. It is 5:50 in the morning. We left about 45 minutes ago. We're going to be at our destination in about 15. Rally launch is going to be really fun. I don't know exactly where this is. Apparently it's an old skating rink turned man cave, so I assume it's going to be really fun. We should be early relatively as far as the people who are getting there, but I said I want to keep this short, so I'm going to drive safely, 2 hands on the wheel, and I'll catch you guys when we get to the launch, see some cool cars. From the launch, we got Stip behind us. We got a V10 R8 back there. I don't know where Carson ended up. That looks like Evan. Very cool. Ty's radar detector coming in clutch. Hopefully works pretty well. If not, then I guess we'll find out. Coffees. Jessica's first rally. What are the thoughts right now?
Very excited.
Very excited. That's what we like to hear. Very cool.
Nice.
The M6. Holy moly. I hit one, but I couldn't find a stretch of road long enough to get this slow thing going. Oh, that's going fast.
Since we're all using the premium right now.
I know. It's that last time, remember, in Knoxville? They were so slow, it was going way slower than this. That sucks. Hit a quick gas stop. Ty hit 19.1 miles an hour. That's pretty impressive. Say now you hit 19.1 miles an hour.
Yes, or 70.
70.
I mean, one, maybe once.
You got the V10 R8. Need to get more footage of that. Nice little upgrade from mine. 1 minute! I love this car. Yep. got some food ourselves, but line is moving very slowly. We're waiting our turn. Ripping through gas this trip, but that was to be expected. Ladies and gents, we made it! No tickets, no pullovers. Doing nothing like doing meth in the parking lot. That's nice.
White car maybe?
Wasn't me. Dude, that caddy got pulled. She might have got a ticket. Ooh. Irrigation. And everybody's here. Everybody made it. With a beautiful view. Holy cow.